Hi, welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. This video will lead us to the demo of k-nearest neighbor classification over semantically secure encrypted relational data. Data mining has wide applications in many areas such as banking, medicine, scientific research, and among government agencies. Classification is one of the commonly used tasks in data mining applications. For the past decade, due to the rise of various privacy issues, many theoretical and practical solutions to the classification problem have been proposed under different security models. However, with the recent popularity of cloud computing, users now have the opportunity to outsource their data in encrypted form as well as data mining tasks to the cloud. Since the data on the cloud is in encrypted form, existing privacy preserving classification techniques are not applicable. In this paper, we focus on solving the classification problem over encrypted data. In particular, we propose a secure KNN classifier over encrypted data in the cloud. The proposed protocol protects the confidentiality of data, privacy of users' input query, and hides the data access patterns. To the best of our knowledge, our work is the first to develop a secure KNN classifier encrypted data under the semi-honest model. Also, we empirically analyze the efficiency of our model protocol using a real-world dataset under different parameter settings. First of all, the data owner is the important person. The data owner have to select the data. This data is to be encrypted and then it is stored in the cloud 1. The key used for encrypt the data is stored in cloud 2. There are two clouds in the system. The cloud 1 is used to store the encrypted data and then the cloud 2 is used to store the key. Then the customer enters into the mechanism. Then the customer sends the query to the server, that is the cloud 1. The cloud 1 searches the relevant data for the query sent by the user by using the SMIN algorithm. This algorithm is used to search the relevant data to the query sent by the client. Then the relevant data are found out by the cloud 1 and transferred to the client. This data is in the form of encryption and then the client have to get the key from the cloud 2. Using the key from the cloud 2, the encrypted data from the cloud 1 is decrypted. Then only the client can view the original data. Let us see the demo of the project. For that, run the homepage.java. Just click this image. Now the data owner have to select the data. For that, click the browse button and select the new text document. This is the input to the system. Then press get. The file name is displayed in the text field and then press get. The location for the dataset is displayed here and then press get. The format of the dataset is displayed here. Then press get. The size of the data is also displayed here. Then click view. The selected dataset is displayed here and then press next. Now this is the time to encrypt the data. For that, the original data is displayed here and the data owner have to enter the 16-byte secret key. using this secret key. Now the data is encrypted. For that, press encryption button and then press next. Now this is the cloud server 1. Now the server have the encrypted data. By pressing secure data button, the cloud server 1 can view the encrypted data stored by the data owner and then press next. This is the cloud server 2. By pressing the get button, the cloud server 2 can get the key that is used to encryption. Then click next. Now the user have to enter the name and then press the technical employee. In that, select any one of the option and press select experience. Using this, the user can select the experience and then click next. Now the data user have to select the book name from here and then press search. Now this is stored in the buffer and then click next. It contains the list of authors. From this, the user can select the author and press next. Now here the user can select the publisher. Using this, the publishers are searched in the cloud and click search. Then press next. It displays the years of the books that is published. Select any one of the year from here and press search. These are the queries entered by the data user. Now enter the K value. The K value is 5 and then press next. Using this K value, the number of data is retrieved to the client. If a client enters high number means the client can get the data. Now press receive. That is the book name, author name, publisher name and year selected by the client is displayed here and press ciphering. Now the data are ciphered, that is encrypted. Then click next. Then press the Euclidean distance. Here the Euclidean distance is calculated for the query and then the remaining data in the cloud. Then press class labels. Using this, the data is retrieved to the client. Then press next. This is the encrypted data. These data are relevant to the query transfer to the client. Then press next. Receive from C1, that is the cloud 1. This is the encrypted data received by the client from cloud server 1. Press key from C2, that is the key from cloud service provider 2 is received by the client. Press SCMC. This will get the data that is most relevant to the client according to the K value entered by the client. Press graph. The overall data and then the number of retrieved data is displayed here.